Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on to today's video. It will be a voiceover today. I just want to enjoy doing my makeup. But yeah, I think the plan for today is to do a rainbow look. So if you want to see that, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Hey everyone, so I'm really just starting things off like I normally would with my tea tree toner. I believe this toner is from the Body Shop, and I'm just wiping that. Next, I'm picking up this new moisturizer I'm using from Clinique and just making sure to get an even coat of that all over my face. Next, I'm going in with some EOS lip balm and just lip balming it up. And then next, I'm going to my brows. See how fast that was? And I'm picking up my P. Louise eyeshadow primer. I went for white today because I am going to be using bright colors, so white just gets things done better. But my whole technique for this was to create my shape, and so that's what I'm doing here. I wanted more of a winged type of a look. Now I'm just, sharpening out that wing and filling in the shape. So this is how I got the shape that I wanted, and I thought this would be the best technique to get what I wanted out of this look. Next, I'm going into my pigments. These are neon pigments, and this is from the brand, I believe it's called the Makeup Plug. I love these pigments. I've used them before. If you work with pigments, then you know that you have to pack on the color and then you can worry about blending later. So I was kind of doing that with each shade. I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so you can see I already started blending and everything, but you really want to focus on getting the shade on and then blending later. So I really wanted to go for that rainbow look. I think a big part of this is really just focusing on what colors you want to use, because I think something I was freaking out about during this is just like this purple kind of messes up the look of a wing. And I was like, I hope that doesn't mess up the look. You really have to think about your color placement. And I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. And of course it's sped up just so that, we are not here all day watching me do the same thing. And there were so many colors to use that I was just like, I don't want to do the same look on both eyes. I definitely want to incorporate the other colors, the more cool tone colors. Next, I'm picking up my glitter glue by NYX, and I'm using a small brush to kind of add the glitter glue around the perimeter of the eyeshadow look. Then I'm picking up some glitter, which I did off camera, and what I was doing was kind of just blowing the glitter out of the way as I was applying, and really just making sure to get it all the way around and follow the curve of the eye. Next, I'm picking up some more P. Louise base, and I'm using this to line the bottom of my eye and kind of use it like just like an eyeliner, and I'll clean that up with a makeup wipe. Makeup wipe is really good to use like for this type of eye look, just so you can get cleaner lines. Next, I'm going into my primer from NYX. This is the Marshmallow Primer, and I believe I mixed it with another primer, and I'm just adding that on my face and rubbing that in. If you use this, then you know it does leave a white cast, so if you're worried about that, just don't use as much. So yeah, I'm just rubbing that in my face. And then I'm picking up this foundation. Now, this was the first time I used this foundation. This was the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation that everybody's really hype about. And I just used my Morphe sponge to blend everything in. I feel like this gave me similar vibes to the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It really went on pretty sheer, and I believe it is buildable. I feel like over this, I still prefer the Maybelline Fit Me, just because it's like a lot more work to have to add layer after layer, and a big tip for me is to make sure you pull the makeup down to your neck, because it'll look like you're wearing a mask. You don't. And now I'm just picking up my go-to Shape Tape concealer, and adding that underneath my eye. This really helps. In case you didn't know, concealer really helps to take away a lot of darkness and puffiness, and I just really like it because I do have these eye bags now. And then from here, I kind of grabbed my Kylie concealer, and I double conceal sometimes, and this just adds a more dramatic, seamless look. So you're not just going to that light shade, you have almost like a helper with that when you're blending everything out. So that's why I grabbed this Kylie. It's a little bit lighter and it's the right tone. Next, I'm just blending everything in with my e.l.f. sponge and really just focusing everything in, picking up this foundation powder and just putting this on my face. I also got my e.l.f. powder, and I just apply that to my face, and then I realized that I forgot to set my under eye, which is really important because you don't want any creasing to happen under there. So I thought I would leave that in the video, and I'm just picking up that sponge again and just getting that Revolution under eye powder, and then I'm going back into the foundation. Now that I finished that, I'm picking up this bronzer from Morphe. I believe this is in Showman's Bronzer. I use it all the freaking time. It's kind of tired now. I'm bronzing. Bronzing is really important, and it just makes your face look so much better when you're done than just going in with a straight contour. So yeah. Next, I'm contouring with a more dense, smaller brush. And then I'm picking up my blush from the Jaclyn Hill Becca Duo that was like forever ago. And then I'm getting a foundation powder and just putting that over top of the blush to tone it down just a little bit to make it look more natural. I then sprayed my Morphe spray, making sure to like fan that off and do that. And next I'm picking up this lipstick. This is in the shade Toffee by Juvia's Place. Yeah, I got a whole bunch of new lipsticks from her, so if you want to see what this lipstick is, then go check out my other video where I talk about all these lipsticks I've been using. And yeah, so now I'm just doing my lip liner, and that was MAC Chestnut, and everything looks good. And from here, I'm moving into lip gloss. I don't know what it's been recently, but I love a good lip combo, so I decided to do that for this look, and I just added the gloss to the center and patted it. And next, I'm picking up this Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and I am just applying that to my top lashes and my bottom lashes. And then next, I'm grabbing these lashes, and I'll be back when I have the top and bottom lashes on. So yeah, these are the top lashes and the bottom lashes, and they make all the difference in the world. Next, I'm picking up this Revolution highlighter palette, and I'm just going into the golden pink shade in there. I've been really liking that highlighter, and I wanted to try something different. Next, I'm just spraying everything down. Hey everyone, so this is the final look. Thank you for watching today's video. If you want to see the transformation, then head over to my TikTok and go like this look on there. But thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thank you for coming here. It really does mean a lot when you guys watch these, and I've had people reach out to me and say that they watch my videos, and I'm in shock. Just because, you know, I don't know. But thank you. I really do appreciate you guys.